Welcome to Social Work Updates.
In today's video we were going to talk about the essential element of social work practice. For many years, Perlmans have proven useful of 4 Ps. Namely the person, problem, place, and process to social workers as a way of organizing their thoughts about a client, his or her situation, and the agency context of social work intervention. Number 1 is problem. What is the nature of the client's problem or concern? Its cause, intensity, frequency, and duration? How does the client define or describe it? How do others who know the client define it? How does the worker define it?
Can this problem or situation be changed? What aspects of the problem can feasibly be addressed in a change effort by the worker and client? How effective have previous efforts by the client, agency, or worker been in dealing with this problem or concern? Is the problem or situation an emergency that requires a rapid response? Or what would the consequences be if the worker or agency does nothing for or with the client? Number 2 is person. How are the various dimensions of the whole person, example, physical, emotional, social, economic, and spiritual, related to or affected by the client's problem, concern, or situation? What client's strengths or assets can be used as a foundation on which to build an effective intervention plan and change process? And how might the client's usual ways of thinking and behaving become barriers to dealing effectively with the problem or concern? Number 3 is place. What meaning does the client assign to his or her involvement with the agency, for example, hopefulness, stigma, fear, and humiliation? Can the agency provide the services needed by the client? If not, is referral to another agency likely to be effective? Are the agency's own procedures, policies, or methods somehow contributing to the client's problems? And lastly, the process. What type of helping approach, method, or technique is the client likely to find acceptable? What approach, method, or technique is likely to be effective? And lastly, how will the requirements of the helping process, such as time, fees, and scheduling, affect the client's current roles and responsibilities?
Thanks for watching. For more social work updates, visit my YouTube page, hit the bell and subscribe.